再来看美国内华达州，因为下大雨，有7万外人调伫大型的活动火林节。苏马当局已经取消就地避难的命令，嘛无搁要继续封路了，所以真侪民众拢陆续离开了。
几百台拖拉机、房车和各种车是小连续离开火人节的场地。主办单位是咧测试下晡正式解除驾驶的禁令，而且讲欧洲城的替离行动是正式开始。较早的火人节总是有几万的参加者来到这，甲沙漠变作一个活动的城市。但是今年因为拄着大雨，原本的火人起码变作6公万人。
We're going to have a hefty late fee for the RV. No matter what we can do at this point, we're going to have that because it's going to take a long time to clean that after this.
当局因为大雨造成灾情，要求参加者较紧找所在避，尽量保存食米含水。外口的车嘛袂当搁入来，但是已经伫个活动场地内面的车嘛袂当离开。主要是烦恼讲车安尼驶伫个6公里顶悬，恐惊会甲车路底较歹去，到时会搁较歹离开，互后壁搁较歹行。有人就用行去外口，再搁直接的车去附近的小店。
Got trapped in the mud and everything was shut down, and getting out was a nightmare. This morning we were digging, we were on our hands and knees, like digging mud out of our tires.
There's a lot of puddles on the road. We have thousands of people that are trying to leave right now, so it's kind of like a mass exodus.
欧洲城对初1到初2早起，才无到24点钟，就已经落2个月到3个月降雨量。沙罗代初4开始，西部的出日头变较干燥，温度差不多要摄氏24度，6公里的车路会变打气，到时要走较好走。另外，这段期间传出有人死亡，主办单位讲死因和天气无关系。公司新闻吴文玲编译。